Hey, creative minds. If you're looking to create professional, high-quality logos without spending hours manually adjusting shapes, Illustrator's Pathfinder tool is the solution you need. This feature allows you to combine, subtract, and manipulate shapes effortlessly, making it easy to design intricate logos with precision. Before we get into the design process, let's make sure you have Illustrator installed. If you haven't downloaded it yet, check the link in the description. It'll take you to Adobe's official site, where you can safely download the latest version. How to download and install Adobe Illustrator. If this is your first time using Illustrator, here's how to set it up. Visit Adobe's official website using the link in the description. Sign in or create an Adobe account. It only takes a minute. Locate Illustrator in the app list and select Free Trial to start the download. Install Adobe Creative Cloud, which manages the installation for all Adobe apps. Once installed, launch Illustrator, and you're ready to start designing. The trial allows you to explore everything before subscribing to all Illustrator tools, including Pathfinder. How to use the Pathfinder tool for complex logo design. Now that Illustrator is installed, let's break down how to use Pathfinder to create precise and professional logos. Start with basic shapes. Use the rectangle, M, ellipse, L, or polygon tools to build the foundation of your logo. Open the Pathfinder panel. Go to Window. Pathfinder to access the shape manipulation tools. Combine and merge shapes. Select multiple shapes and use the Unite function to merge them into one. Create cutouts and negative space. Use minus front to remove one shape from another. This technique is great for making sleek cutout designs. Refine with the Direct Selection tool. A. Adjust anchor points and paths to fine-tune details and create a balanced composition. Finalize and save. Once you are satisfied, export your logo in SVG or PNG format to maintain high resolution and scalability. With the Pathfinder tool, you can turn simple shapes into complex, scalable vector logos in just a few clicks. For example, you can create a logo with intricate interlocking shapes or a logo with sleek cutout designs. If you haven't installed Illustrator yet, click the link in the description to download it now. The latest version ensures you have all the best tools for logo design. And if you want to master more Illustrator techniques, subscribe to our newsletter. We send out exclusive tutorials, software discounts, and pro design tips straight to your inbox. The link is below. Also, if you want to improve your vector pattern skills, check out the video at the top right corner. We show you how to create seamless vector patterns in Illustrator. That's it for today. Have fun designing, and I'll see you at the next one.